Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna talk about very important topic. What is a trading journal and why you need one? Your trading journal is like a diary that records your trading activity. If you ask me, trading journal is a deciding factor for whether you have become a consistently profitable trader or loser. The same thing, we need to do it together and set up your trading journal. So this is an example of a trading journal. This is actually my trading journal. So you need to put in the number. I will do it monthly. Every month I have one trading journal and the dates you execute the trade and the instrument, Euro JPY, Euro France, Canada, and long or short. In this trade you are doing long or doing short, and the size. Why the size is different? Because it depends on the pips I risk. So if I risk more pips, this will be a smaller position because I want to maintain a consistent earning and a consistent risk. So the buyers and the entry price. This is the entry price, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit, and this is the result. So you may see that the win loss, this is my result, and the risk reward. I'm doing 2 to 1. So if I'm risking 100, I will be earning 200. So this is the amount. This is the risk reward to be. Why I have this column, I just want to keep track that I really actually follow the risk reward. That for some traders, you will actually like to manual closing your trade. So after that setting, I don't want to do any manual closing. I will set the risk reward follow exactly my trading system, and after that I will wait for the trade to close automatically, whether by take profit or by stop loss. So this is the remarks. The remarks is the reasons why I win, the reason why I lost. So the reason of my mistake, what I have done the mistake, and what I have done very good. So this is my win rate of 64%, but I'm thinking that my risk reward is not that good because you can see that sometimes I risk higher. So that is the risk reward, not that good. And then the loss trade reasons, against the major time frame, the location is too high, the trend line broken as in consolidation, and the win trade reason is okay, I'm doing trending trade. So somehow when I do the lose one, it that means I do the counter trade. So but this is the counter trade, maybe is the trending in your entry time frame, but that is the counter trade to the direction time frame. As I have mentioned, I'm using the multiple time frame analysis. So this is the win trade reasons against the major trend line. So this is my reasons of why I win, why I lose. So by doing all this, by maintaining every month, I will knowing my mistake and I'm knowing what I have done very good. I will try to do it consistently and I will try to reduce my mistake. So trading journal is very important, and you can see why you enter this trade, what is the reason, and why you making a loss for this month, and why this month you are making good. And you need to follow, and your win rate is another, just like your report card. This month your win rate is 64%. If next month is 50%, so what happened? If you don't do any trading journal, you don't know what happened. So a trading journal is one of the most effective tools for performance management. It is where we record and review daily trades for better output and for future reference. A journal can help you track process as well as study mistakes made when entering exiting a trade. In the long run, this report can act as a foundation for the better executions. So a successful trader not only examines each particular trade, but also the progression of their trading performance. Though an effective trading journal, Forex traders are able to hasten the path towards a more disciplined and profitable trading career. So this is very important. By taking advantage of this tool, you can quantify, scrutinize, and enhance your trading process. You can thoroughly keep track of your skills, emotional triggers, and other aspects of the trading you wish to measure and optimize. So trading journals is very, very important, so we need to keep track. So you need to do your trading plan. You have to keep track your trading journal, so you must know what you are doing every month. So this is very basic for a beginner Forex trader. So that's all for today, and hope to see you in all the classes.